Do you ever turn on airplane mode and then completely forget it's on? This iPhone automation makes sure that never happens again. Whether it's a nap, bedtime, studying, meetings, or even flying, this automation reminds you to turn airplane mode off at the right time. Here is how to set it up. Open the Shortcuts app, then tap Automation at the bottom, then tap the plus icon in the top right to create personal automation. Now choose Airplane Mode. Select is turned on, then choose Run immediately. After that, tap Next. Tap Create New Shortcut. Now let's add the reminder. In the search actions, type Start Timer. Tap Start Timer, set the duration you want. For a nap, maybe 15 or 30 minutes. For studying, 1 or 2 hours. For bedtime, change to hours and choose 6 to 8. For flights or meetings, set the exact duration you need. You can switch between seconds, minutes, or hours. Tap Done. Now, every time you turn on airplane mode, your iPhone automatically starts a timer. When the timer ends, you get an alert reminding you to turn airplane mode off. This is perfect if you take daily naps, turn on airplane mode before sleeping, study without distractions, go into meetings, travel or fly often, want to avoid missing calls or messages by mistake. Airplane mode on, timer starts. Timer ends, you are reminded. No more forgotten airplane mode. This automation is a lifesaver. Save this, you'll use it more than you think. If you liked it, hit the like button, leave a comment and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.